Good morning, guys. It's nice to see the Subaru in the garage. Do you ever talk about a specific thing you know, and you know the facts too, but someone else more confident makes you confused and doubt yourself? That's how I'm feeling right now. I have to get my Subaru SMOG'd, and I know it's gonna pass smog, but I have this feeling, this fear that it won't. But I know it will. There's not that many modifications to it, but you never know. Well, I should probably get this fixed before I go get it smogged because it looks ghetto as hell. All right, let's see if these guys will pass my car. Sure hope so. Oh, that's not good. He pulled the car out already. That's not good. I got bad news. Let me hop in the car first and let you know. Oh man, I'm riding dirty, guys. Real dirty. This is not good. So the Subaru failed smog, and the guy doesn't think there's a problem with the car, but it does show on my paper right here. It shows the cat and the O2 sensor is bad, or not reading. Two things. It could be bad completely, or I just don't have enough miles because I don't drive the car as often, so the computer has no reading on it. So he said drive 100 miles and come back. I don't drive 100 miles. I live so close to the office. Where do we go today? Let's take an adventure. Let's go. First off, reset OD to 0. Let's see how close to 100 we can get to. This couldn't get any more shady right now. There's a cop right in front of me that's moving lanes to slow down. He's like 3 cars ahead, so I shouldn't have anything to worry about. Oh my god, I have to turn left here? That means I have to pull next to him. He's right in front of these 2 cars. Okay, good news guys. I managed to travel 0.8 miles. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the most ridiculous things today. Let's load up the car. Noodles. More noodles. More noodles. What is this? A random envelope? A Costco box. Yeah, so, whoa. So I'll be doing all the errands today. So I'm transporting all the stuff from the house to the office. Noodles is life, dude. I don't know about you guys, but noodles is life. Oh, why am I so fat? I got winded doing that. Hey, but I managed to hold up for the smog guy. Don't move. Yo, I think the guy wants to race for pinks. It's a Jenny. Hey, Jenny, you want to race for pinks? Oh shit, green light. My bad. I think this RT Charger wants to race me. You don't want none of this. Oh yeah? This Colorado wants to race me, lining up for the red light. You don't want none of this, old man. Oh yeah? Subaru! You want some of this, STI? You don't want none of this? Oh yeah? Oh yeah, STI, you're lucky this Colorado's blocking me. I take you out. Oh yeah? Park GTI? You don't want none of this either. All those guys I raced, they were lucky. They were lucky I didn't want to race today. You know. Hey, I raced like 5 cars today.
Deadass, what'd you race?
Shit, all of them. They didn't even know they were racing though. I won all of them. I got bad news and bad news. I failed smog.
Deadass.
True story.
For real?
Yeah, so the guy said drive 100 miles and come back. Maybe it'll pass.
Wow.
So I have to drive 100 miles, so.
Where are you gonna drive to?
I don't fucking know, I don't drive 100 miles. I put 100 miles last year on the Subaru.
I can do 100 miles in like a few hours.
That's what she said. Huh?
Just go to LA.
That's what she said. I was like, what? Well, I guess we'll have to find a reason to drive around. Photo shoot.
No. Let's go to Riverside.
Alright guys, I got this random idea right now. Is I want to create a comic, but hacked. I'll show you what we're doing, but right now we're setting up scene number 3. Drama between these 2. Ready? Action! Oh shit! Okay, cool. So I did it. These guys are the 3 actors in it. So let's see if I can put this together. Hi.
Hey,
You?
what's up?
What's up? What's up? How's it going?
Good, I'm excited.
What's up? You look good, man. Fist bump.
Thank you.
What are you getting?
Cool stuff.
Some sexy stuff, making her sexy, man. I over here, scallop teed out. What's up, bro? John was a little sexy camera.
Hell yeah, this is my manly camera.
Your manly camera just took a picture with the car. It looks soda, sassy. Thank you for coming. Hey dude, check it out. We're thinking about making a comic. This is what I'm working on.
Oh, that's pretty sick. Well, that's
See, not bad, right? Like,
that's not too bad.
not too bad. Hella famous. Damn, hella famous.
Dang.
All right, guys. Let's see how many miles we got on the Subi.
I'm prepared.
Oh, I mean, what would you do in a Subaru but vape? Cloud Maker. I'm not used to this key entry thing. It's weird. Yep, John, it happened. So now we gotta grab this tool before we get to go to lunch. Okay, John. Yeah, this happened to me yesterday. It flew and almost hit me in the face, dude.
It's fucking hot.
Yeah, I know. It like almost like speared me in the baseball. But yeah, you gotta remove this screw and then you can get to that one. All right, moment of truth. Oh, fuck. It's coming off, John. All right, John, let's grab some lunch. We are a solid 5 miles. Woo. It's 95 miles to go. I'm gonna air out. Low life. Do you drive like that? Yes, sir, I do. This car's broken. Oh my God, I got wires sticking out and shit. I'm gonna go ahead and just tuck this in. No one saw anything. I'm just gonna have to put it right back in the hole. I didn't do this, I promise. All right, John, let's go in for a cinematic. So how does it smell right now?
It smells bomb. I'm super hungry now.
Soda good. So we're at my local favorite Vietnamese spot.
Damn.
It's not my favorite, but my local favorite. Pretty good. So you have to make a choice now. Noodles?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I have to. I'll take one of everything.
You're not gonna, dude, you're gonna fall asleep. All right, guys, so here's the menu for today. You can get pho ga, which is chicken pho. You can get pho duc beef, which is beef. Pho duc beef, which is beef, which is kind of what we're known for. Or you can get vermicelli, which is what I'm gonna get because the other two makes me really sleepy. All right, guys, quick crash course on how to eat pho. Ready, set, go. This is mine, vermicelli. Thank you. All right, John, chopstick. You can put anything you want. Those are leaves, mint leaves, I think. But I just do the sprouts and lemon, toss them in, squeeze the lemon in. Your dipping sauce bowl is right here. You like hot sauce, so make your butt fire. This is a little bit of hoisin sauce. You can combine them for a dip. You can also add these into here to make it taste a little bit different. Mix it up and just eat. Hell yeah. How was it, John?
It was bomb.
That was good?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Delicious.
I'll come back again.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, let's head back to the office. And that's the Subi. Damn, let's admire this real quick. Look at the body lines on this.
I think your car's broken.
Yeah, I drive like this. Man, look how nice it still is. 15 miles, John.
Oh, that was it.
Whoa, look at this. Pop the hood. Holy ball. Stock turbo. Yep. Fooled me. Damn. God damn. Super nice. Here it is. Here's the comic. If you guys watch my my Instagram, this is what I worked on. Look at this. So it starts off with, what am I going to do? My car is sort of broken. I need a car to get to work. Oh my. Rob comes up and he's like, hey, how did you break your car again? And then, next. John gets mad. Are you trying to start something, huh? Robbie D goes, what the fuck are you going to do about it, huh? What are you going to do, huh? You don't do nothing. He Chava go, oh my god, bro, it's so not worth it. No, the fighting over here, the friend, huh? Next, Robbie D going, pow, kung fu fighter, chicken chow mein uppercut. Robbie D to go to Z 350, Z sleepy. And then John he go to now back to the car and take a soda night. The end, nobody. Next week, Robbie D to fight the Chava.
So as of right now, we've only done 19.8 miles. Great. Aaliyah, baby girl, can you finish the vlog, please? Your bow tie is all messed up. Come here, don't be a brat. Hey. Yeah, come here, finish the vlog. Come here. You gotta end the vlog. Come here. You have to. Come here, end the vlog. 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 I love you, please. I'm out, mama. Okay, say bye. Fist bump, please. Fist bump, please. Alright, guys, I guess I'll fist bump for you.